Thank you, Cathaoirleach. I'm very grateful for the opportunity to make a few comments on the final stage of this bill, a bill that was drafted by and introduced in the Seanad by my independent colleague, Senator Michael McDougall. I want to acknowledge his diligence, expertise and sterling work on the bill. I know that he engaged with the Minister for Justice and her department to ensure that this matter was addressed as quickly as possible. I welcome the passing of the bill 2020 by both houses of the Oireachtas. It is an important piece of legislation that should help to recalibrate the law arising from the judgment of the Court of Appeal in the case of the DPP and EC versus the Irish Times and others. The Court interpreted Section 252 to mean that the reporting restrictions in respect of offences against children also applied in circumstances where the child is deceased or has turned 18 years of age. The identity of the persons responsible for the child's death should not be published if it would directly or indirectly reveal the child's identity. The new bill addresses this issue and removes the gag on media reporting. It means that where there is a deceased child and no other child witness, the identity of child and perpetrator can be reported without any court involvement. Other situations are also legislated for and give some latitude to the court to decide whether reporting restrictions are to apply. I am glad, particularly for the sake of the grieving family members of a deceased child, that a child can be remembered, and indeed, for the sake of the child interested in the perpetrator, can be named. I would defer to the opinion of the architect of the bill as initiated, Senator Michael McDougall, on this matter, but I do think it is regrettable that the bill was not broader in its scope. The bill ordinarily gave the court discretion to waive the reporting restrictions for offences other than child murder, allowing even greater scope and flexibility for the judiciary to balance the different interests and to come to a reasoned decision as to where the public interest in a particular lay. I also believe that the original format of the bill, which substituted a completely new Section 252 for the old one, was more accessible than the bill as passed by the Dáil. I think this is regrettable because I believe that the law should be clear as possible and accessible as possible. Notwithstanding this, I welcome the passing of the bill, as indeed will many parents today of children that have lost their lives. Thank you.